On this episode, we installed new fuel lines, took out the gas tank and lined it with a rubber bladder, put on new brakes and fixed the seized drum, cleaned, repaired, and tested the sending unit and float, and we are just so much closer to getting this Packard driving. See it all here on Motorhead Sweethearts.
Alrighty, so in order to get the drum off the Packard, you got to use a special puller, and this is the exact puller that a lot of people use. This one I got from my neighbor who served in Vietnam. He was a mechanic. So we're going to use this, use the arms to go into the slots, and then you hit it like that to draw it off the axle, and that's how we're going to pull the drums, check out the shoes, and probably replace all the brakes. Alrighty, so we took that side off. That was the original side that was locked up when we first bought the car. So we made sure that the transmission was in neutral and this wheel still wasn't spinning forward. So we would spin backwards but not forward. So I think this side, the brake shoes, either we got a broken pin or the shoes are stuck like they were on that side. That side for sure was locked up. And I think we're going to find the same problem on this side.
Hey!
So we found that somebody retrofitted the gas tank with a new line, and I don't think it came with a drain plug in the gas tank. We can look it up, but there's a drain plug in there. So instead of pulling the whole gas tank, we'll pull the plug, drain all the fuel, and then hopefully through that hole in the drain plug we can check the integrity of the inside of the gas tank and then take it from there.
Why are you so hot? Why are you so hot?
You can tell it's old by the color. That's called varnished gas, so no bueno, not what we want.
Nasty. It's like black.
What are you doing?
You saw that first one, mister? Good boy.